Over the preceding biennium, energy costs have surged to unprecedented heights, compelling certain nations to intensify their endeavors in exploiting the potential of their accessible renewable energy reservoirs. Endowed with its sun-drenched climate, Portugal is ideally positioned to expedite its transition to solar power. Although you might not have encountered a solar facility akin to this previously, I'm currently stationed at the Alcaba Reservoir in the southern reaches of the nation, seeking an alternative vantage point to observe a distinctive solar array. This buoyant solar farm, the largest of its genre across Europe situated atop a reservoir, is adept at producing an ample quantum of electricity to energize 1,500 residences in the proximate locale. The initiative was initiated in January 2022 and by July was securely anchored, rendering power to a fraction of the populace in the neighboring zones of Porto and Mora. Despite its €6 million valuation, the energy conglomerate EDP appraises that the solar farm will recoup its investment within a decade. The strategic site for the solar farm lies in proximity to the Alcoba Dam, with the strategic ambition of amalgamating solar and hydropower within the same power conduit and participating infrastructure. The aqueous locale of the solar platform also confers advantages like abating panel temperatures and augmenting efficiency by up to 10%. Notwithstanding, there exist hurdles, such as avian excrement on the panels. The efficiency repercussion is adeptly managed by independent robots equipped with artificial intelligence to prognosticate the most optimal intervals for thermal